Your data has duplicates in it. You know it. From the largest companies to single individuals, we all have duplicate data that creeps into our lives, our databases, our Excel spreadsheets, our phone contact lists, our precious master data. But finding them isn't as simple as looking for exact matches. Computer systems have great algorithms for finding things that are identical, and they're really not so good at finding things that aren't the same. Look at these examples. John Smyth versus John Smyth with a Y. Acme Corporation versus Acme Corp abbreviated. 123 Main Street versus 123 Main Street misspelled. Or a vendor with a very similar looking PO. These are duplicates. Traditional tools miss them. Traditional duplicate finders only catch exact matches. But real-world data is messy. Typos, abbreviations, nicknames, formatting differences. The result? Wasted marketing spend, double mailings, unreliable reports, and in accounts payable, duplicate payments that slip through and fraud that goes undetected. There is a better way. Introducing ExisEcho Fuzzy Logic Duplicate Detection. ExisEcho uses fuzzy logic to find records that are similar, not just identical. It understands that Bob and Robert are the same person, that street and ST abbreviated mean the same thing, that Smith and Smyth sound alike, and it catches simple typos like an extra letter in an address. Every match comes with a confidence score, a percentage that tells you exactly how similar two records are. 100%, almost certainly a duplicate. 94%, worth reviewing. You're always in control of what threshold makes sense for your data. ExisEcho works with the data you already have. Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, Access databases, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, even Google Sheets. Connect to your data source and start finding duplicates in minutes. In addition to sophisticated fuzzy logic algorithms, you can fine-tune your matching with powerful options. Phonetic matching catches names that sound alike but are spelled differently. Synonym matching recognizes that corp and corporation mean the same thing. And weighted scoring lets you prioritize the columns that matter most, like giving more weight to names than addresses. Now, we love AI, but for duplicate detection, fuzzy logic just works a little bit better. There's no training data to prepare, no labeled examples to create, no models to tune or maintain. And the results are completely explainable and auditable. Your workflow is simple: connect your data, set your thresholds, run the scan, done. When the scan is complete, export your results to Excel or CSV. Each group of duplicates is color-coded for easy review. You decide what to do with the matches: merge them, delete them, or flag them for further review. ExisEcho can process 100,000 records in about 3 minutes. Let me quickly show you what it looks like as the output in Excel. You can see here the records that are similar are grouped together. They are color-coded in two different ways. The green indicates records that are 100% match. The blue indicates that there's probably some review necessary, but most likely. And pink indicates that you definitely should take a look at it. In this case, there is a record with a 74% score. Want to see it in action before you download the desktop version or spend time with the APIs? Try our Fuzzy Logic Playground. It's free, runs right in your browser, and uses the same algorithm as the desktop app or the APIs. Enter any two values, adjust the matching options, and see the similarity score instantly. Let me give you a quick demonstration. If you go to our website, and in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Playground option. This will bring up the Fuzzy Logic Playground. Here, we can try to enter some values and see how the algorithm performs. So I'm going to type in 123 Main Street and 123 Main Street misspelled. Let's calculate the score and see how we do. You have to scroll down a little bit here, so you'll see that it is very high, 93.8% score for two values that are slightly misspelled. And you can try your own, and you can try checking and unchecking some of these options that are at the top. You can also scroll down, and there are some suggestions here, and I encourage you to go there and try it for yourself. There's some suggestions of common things that you might be interested in finding in your data. Finally, stop guessing and start finding. You can download ExisEcho Desktop for free, no credit card required, and see what duplicates are hiding in your data. We also have APIs available for integration with your own software using Python or JavaScript. Please contact us for a free API test key. Visit fuzzylogic.com to get started. Thank you for watching.